All right, seventh grade. This is lesson 14, solving problems with more than one step. Okay. Reminder, look for information that might help to determine the need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Bob needs 6 tomatoes for a salsa recipe. One store sells 3 to a package for $1.69. Another sells them 40 cents each. Which is the better buy? And what, if any, is the savings? Sometimes a problem requires more than one step to solve. You may need to do some combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to find the solution. Begin by making an overall rough plan of what you will do. In this case, you'll find the cost of 6 tomatoes at each store. Then you will compare the prices. First, calculate the cost of 6 tomatoes at each price. So, this first package has 3 of them in it at $1.69, but we need 2 of them to make a total of 6. So 2 times $1.69 is $3.38. And then the next one was 6 at 40 cents each, which is $2.40. So determine the better buy. You take the first one minus the second one, and you get 98 cents. So buying the tomatoes by the piece at the second store is the better buy. So when you're looking down here, it says Inez packs 3 to a carton. She packs 98 cartons on Monday and 86 cartons on Tuesday. How many tomatoes were packed? So it says make a plan. Find the number of cartons packed. To find the number of then find the number of tomatoes in the carton. So find the total number of cartons. You take 98 plus 86, and you get 184. All right, make sure you got that information copied down. Go on. So now you're going to multiply the number of cartons by 3. Well, our number of cartons was 184. When I do that problem on my calculator, I get 552. So it says 552 tomatoes were packed. So you have only 4 exercise problems to do. Now, you have to go through and look at them, read them, decide what you're trying to do. So when I look at this first problem, Andrew needs to buy 30 grapefruit. One store sells 15 grapefruit for $12, while another store sells 30 grapefruit for $25. So my plan would be figure out the cost for 30 tomatoes. Well, the first store sells them 15. Well, I know that 15 times 2 is 30, so I have to buy 2 of them. So it'd be 2, and I have to multiply that by $12. So I would get $24. The second store sells them at 30 for $25. So that's just $25. Now, the best buy is my my $24. And it's the best buy by $1. So this is my best buy, and it's by $1. So that's what you have to do on these problems. You have to figure out what you got to answer, make a plan, solve it, and then make sure you're giving me the complete answer. When you come down here on these, it's the same thing. Make a plan, answer it, and since they're word problems, make sure that you label them. Now, don't forget when you get finished to submit it to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun. Remember, I can't say this enough. Join me during my office hours if you're unsure of how to do this. If you're unsure how to submit an assignment, please, 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 please come see me during my office hours.